Do this one thing correctly, and your English will be so much better than many English speakers. I can't emphasize it enough. It's the difference between knowing some English and really understanding the nuances that take English to another level. Stay with me here because I want you to hear the difference between the correct way and the incorrect way. I'm talking about the word the. You've probably heard this before, but it doesn't hurt to repeat it. When the word the comes before a word that starts with a consonant, we pronounce it the conference, the job, the career, the language, the video, the school. When the word the comes before a word that starts with a vowel, we pronounce it the apple, the office, the angle, the opposite, the language. No, what am I saying? Oh, I have to edit that out. The image, the umbrella, the energy, the engine. When the word the is pronounced the with these words, it not only sounds incorrect, to me, it sounds childlike and unprofessional. Listen to the difference. The apple, the apple, the office, the office, the angle, the angle, the opposite, the opposite, the image, the image, the umbrella, the umbrella, the energy, the engine, the engine. And this is one of those times when you can blend the two words if you like. It sounds good both ways. I'll say them, blending them and not blending them, and you try to hear the difference. It's very subtle. And first, I'll say the blended version. The apple, and unblended, the apple. The apple, the apple. The office, the office. The angle, the angle. The opposite, rather, the opposite, the opposite. The image, the image. The umbrella, the umbrella. The energy, the energy. The engine, the engine. Did I say that correctly? I'll do it again. The engine, the engine. Both ways sound good. It's not good to say, excuse me, the umbrella, the energy, the engine. Hear the difference? The umbrella, the umbrella. The engine, the engine. When I hear people say the before words that begin with vowels, I think that it makes, I don't mean to insult anybody, but I think that it makes them sound uneducated. But I know many highly educated people who speak this way. And in my opinion, it hurts their image when I'm sure that they'd prefer to have a better image, or I'm sure that they'd rather make a better first impression. I'm not sure that these people, well, I'm not sure if these people missed English class the day that it was taught, or if their teachers just didn't teach it. I'm not sure if the English teachers today teach it. I hope they do, but I'm not sure. So English teachers, please let me know if there are any English teachers watching this. I'd love to know if you talk about this with your students. Whatever the case, do yourself a favor and pronounce it this way. Let's do it again so you can get used to hearing it. The apple, the office, the angle, the opposite, the image, the umbrella, the energy, the engine. If we haven't met yet, my name is Rebecca Carlin. I'm a native English speaker from Connecticut in the United States. My business is called Perfect Business English, and I have an online course and a one-on-one coaching program. And in the course, you have access to me in writing, and in the one-on-one coaching program, we actually tailor make the program to fit your needs. You get the exact help that you need. And people appreciate the fact that I tailor it to them, and it works out really well. If that sounds good to you, just click on the link in the video description, and it'll take you to my website, the Perfect Business English website. And there you'll find an 18-minute video. So to get to the next step, just watch that video. I think you'll find it informative, and of course, it'd be great if you, excuse me, read the website. I've gotten good feedback from it. Okay, back to the. We also use the when we're emphasizing something, when we're talking about it as the thing that's above all others. For example, it's the restaurant to go to in this town. It's the place to be. It's the time to put yourself out there. It's the museum to visit. It's the company to work for. Pronounce the like the before a vowel sound, and it'll be one more step that you take toward speaking English at a high level of fluency, and you'll be closer to mastering the English language. Not only that, but you'll sound much smarter. I'm just saying, you will sound much smarter. I don't want to insult anyone. I really don't want to insult anyone, but speaking this way really does make you sound smarter. It does. Before you speak. And when you think about it first, you make the conscious decision to choose one word or the other. So really think about whether the next word that you're going to say starts with a vowel or a consonant, and it will tell you whether you should say the or the. The more that you practice it, the more that you think about it, the easier that it will be to choose the right word at the right time. I guarantee you that your English will sound better when you do this. The. Okay? Until the next video, take care, be well, and be kind. Always be kind. And remember to show up, put yourself out there, and play full out. I'm playing full out, and you can too. I know you can do it. I know you can. If I can, you can.